back on the road. We just left the Georgeboro Hotel, had a really nice stay there, really nice people. We're now heading further up the north to Gerwen, where our next hotel is. The weather forecast is good, pretty much the same as yesterday, so not very warm, but at least dry, and sometimes the sun will come out. I think we're blessed like that. The weather can be very different here from what I've seen, so if all we got to handle with is a little bit of cold, yeah, we can make it work. The first little stop is quite nearby. Just gonna make a quick pick there. If there aren't too many vehicles behind me, there's a possibility for me to stop. Because what I've seen, it's next to the road. I don't want to be rear-ended. When watching the footage from yesterday, it became quite clear I didn't talk too much. I don't know why, maybe just because I was so impressed by the scenery. So I will try to find some more words for the video this day. When arriving yesterday, I did meet some mountain bikers that also ride bikes. They explained to me there are UCRs that are a blast to ride. I did a little research yesterday. Yeah, it's something I'm not tempted to do right now, but in the future, who knows? The road's already starting twisty this morning. Hello there. Oh boy. Wow. There isn't much more to say than wow. Just take a quick pick. I think those are the roads the guys were talking about. You can see them down there. Not the hotel we're staying tonight, but the next one. We will be staying 2 nights. So we got 1 day to roam around. Maybe I will try to find some of those roads in that vicinity. Well, not gonna do that. Adventurous, but not quite that adventurous. Track back a little. So there's a Yamaha Experience Center coming up where you can do some training. Of course, I'm not going to do that, but it would be cool to do something like that in the Netherlands to get some experience regarding off-road riding, especially with a bigger bike like this. I think it's that way down there. I don't want to be that guy, but I think I'm gonna put on my warmer gloves. It's not very warm. I don't know for sure if there's a spot coming up. Marked specifically. Yeah, I did. I remember. I remember now. Oh. Put it in here. Yes, I remember. I did wanted to stop here because of this view. Whoo-wee. Yeah, unfortunately that's not very readable anymore. But what a nice valley. Oh Jesus. How nice is this? Down and soak in some more of these views. Holy crap. Yes, that's my new thank you for here. I'm gonna tip my head. Not that I'm going very much faster than you, but thank you. Well, that's quite cool. That's also. Here they not. They don't wave because think the waving end is on the other side. So if you do it, you can't really see. But it does work as well. So keep on nodding. There for a little bit. I do regret not stopping it. Oh boy, oh boy. Yes, sir. Wow. Wow. Yeah, it's time to change some batteries. This one is okay. And we're gonna play with the drone a little bit here.